My dear students, how are you? I am also fine. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. My dear students, today I am going to start a new session for class 9 general English second paper and composition, punctuation and capitalization. It is very important for you. Look at the whiteboard and listen to me what I say. Okay? Punctuation and capitalization. We express my language, different types of program. We discuss many language, express different of language, and we show our express use punctuation and capitalization. It is a very easy for you when you will follow the class very carefully. There are many kinds of punctuation mark. We shall discuss about main punctuation. I shall show you about 11 punctuation mark here. Okay, my dear students, follow the class very carefully. There are full stop, this sign and like as point, comma, symptom or sign like it, semicolon, colon, note of exclamation, note of interrogation, this sign, inverted comma, apostrophe s, hyphen, dash, brackets, first brackets, second bracket, third bracket. Okay, we, for example, note of exclamatory, how fine the bird is, how fine the bird is. Okay, note of exclamatory is very expressive sentence. How fine the bird is. What a beauty girl. What a beautiful girl she is. কি সুন্দর এই বালিকাটি। ওকে, প্রশ্ন, ইন্টারোগেশন, what is your name, note of interrogation, what is your name, how old are you, how old are you. This sentences we use note of exclamatory, note of exclamation. note of interrogation or use note of exclamation. Okay, my dear student, write down in your khata these topics. It is very important for you. Next, inverted comma use. He said, I said that, he said to me, I am ill. I am ill. Comma, quotation or inverted comma. Comma, quotation or inverted comma. Okay. He said to me, I am ill. Is inverted comma. Inverted comma, comma. We use it direct narration or outstanding persons who told the nation or person. This sentence we remain inverted comma. He said to me, I am ill. Direct narration, inverted comma, close, comma. He said to me, I am ill. He told me that I was ill. We use it. Hyphen use combine combine sentence sentences. Hyphen we use combined sentences. Okay, we use bracket, third bracket, second bracket, first bracket, first, second, third. There are three kinds of bracket here. Another kinds of bracket have different types of books. You will show if you follow the class very carefully. You will shine in life, you will shine in your career and build up your career. Okay, my dear students, those students who will show my class, they will give me like, comment and subscribe. It is very important class, and next class you will, if you will show the next class, you will subscribe me. It is easy. You will show my class. Okay. Now I shall give you homework. Use CAPITAL, capital letter LETT, here letter N, PUNCTUAPION, punctuation marks, 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 5 SENTENCES, 5 sentences. My dear students, your homework is capital letter and punctuation marks, 5 sentences. Okay, thank you very much all of the students. I reply you again. If you don't understand any topics, you will reply me, you will told me, I shall reply you. Okay, goodbye all of students.